Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw letter K. You can also watch our previous videos through the link in the description box below. So first we will draw letter K. K is done, then K for kite. For kite, we will first draw a diamond shape. Triangle. The straight line. Another straight line. For side we will use small triangles. Our kite is done. Now color time. To color K we will use purple and pink shade. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. For kite use red, blue and orange color. Thanks for watching.